NikkiHaddock.com and back to basics. Welcome back today for the next segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing a beef and broccoli. A great Chinese takeout item often, but let's give it a try at home. Let's head over to the kitchen. Okay, so to start off our beef and broccoli dish, we've set the Instant Pot to saute and waited for about 2 tablespoons of oil to get hot. And now we're going to start with adding our onion. Give that just a minute by itself. Just give that about a 1 minute head start, and then we're going to throw in our garlic and our ginger. And we'll just give that another 1 minute or so. Okay, we're ready to add our beef. So you're just gonna, whatever cut of beef, cut into strips. Stirring that. Give it a chance to brown on all sides. Okay, our beef is browned and we're going to add our broccoli. Now we're going to add our sauce mixture. Put the lid on. Then we're going to pressure cook that for 5 minutes. And then allow it to naturally release. Our beef and broccoli has finished cooking. Here we have our completed beef and broccoli dish. I hope you've enjoyed today's segment. Give us a like, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. You can find the recipe in the description below, and if you leave any questions or comments, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.